So for our visualizations, we decided to start off with a pie chart. This pie chart shows number of cases by indicator. In this case, indicator means STD. Chlamydia is clearly the highest contracted STD at 32.7%, which you can see when you hover above the graph. We chose the pie graph because we were working with percentages, and a pie is the best way to showcase this. The next visualization that we wanted to create was count of number of cases by geography. So essentially, we wanted to see the number of cases of STDs and in which states they were the highest. Luckily, with this chart, we chose it because it displays the cases from highest to lowest in a very visually appealing way. As you can see, New York has the highest amount of cases at 92, followed by Georgia at 91, and Indiana at also 91. This is count of number of cases by year. As you can see, STD contractions peaked in 2013 and 2014 after a little bit of a drop-off in 2011 going into 2012 that followed a big peak in 2010. After 2014, however, you can see that the cases slowly declined from 654 down to 650 in 2015 and eventually 647 in 2016, with the decline continuing. We chose to do this one because a line graph is the easiest way to show inclines and declines when you only have a few variables. For this chart and the chart after it, we decided to group by New England states and then compare them with the rest of the states in the United States. So this graph shows a distinction in number of STD cases between New England and non-New England states. Obviously, within New England, there was 358 total cases, and outside of New England, there was 2,362. So while we do have a low percentage in New England, compared to the rest of the United States, this is still high. This graph is excellent because it shows a clear visual of what percentages of STDs take place in New England when you compare them with the rest. This chart and graph goes into detail about the specific types of STDs and the comparison between the number of cases in New England and outside of New England. AIDS deaths are a very unfortunate thing that our organization is working hard to prevent, and as we can see, New England has 3,243 of these cases out of a total 92,021 cases in the overall U.S. This chart is a great visualization because of how many variables we wanted to display and the types of variables that we wanted to display. Thank you.